Hi guys, today we're gonna play this Roblox Escape the Subway. I'm sorry, we can't let the infection spread. Oh, shut up. Let us out. There are zombies down here. Help us. Oh, I'm so short. This guy taller than me? He's my size. I don't know why, because I shrunk myself down to my size. You better get a raise. I better get a raise. Oh, you better. Wait, no, did I touch that? Did I can't tell. I don't think I touched that, but how come I'm not dying if I just jumped on this zombie? Uh, yeah, I touched that one for sure. But really, is this hard? I don't think so. I think it would be this hard. I played it before and it's not that hard. The guest is passing me. What? I want on his hand. It's a guest to make it. Thing is, he isn't recording. Next thing you know, he's recording and he made it. Really? 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 This is so annoying. I've been able to pass in the first stage. White hair. I'm an old zombie. We need tickets to get past here. Let's find another way around. They're coming in through the vent. Be careful when you go through. Ah, what's that on his... What? Oh. Somebody? What, what's that on the... What's that in his hand? Okay, what's that in his hand? What's that in his hand? Somebody dropped their aviators. Okay, that's weird. Okay, that's weird. I remember that being there last time. Is that my hair down there? It looks like a blonde charmer hair. What the heck? Why is it just clothing items everywhere? This makes no sense. Oh well. Okay, let's go up here. There's something black there. It's gonna get us. Okay, let's go this way. Whoa. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Oh, okay. See that coming. Be careful not to touch these stupid wires. Like that. Hey, look, the guest is still here. Oh, oops. Oh, I don't. What color is the other one? Laser beams. You'll all die. The zombies are coming. Or were those real people? Because I'm pretty sure zombies are dead people. But uh-oh. Stupid gas! Guests are bad at playing. No offense. Those of you who play guests. Zombie. Murderer. Dun dun dun. Did Gus die? Did he die? Did he die? What? What? What the? Okay, I made it. Let's go through this wall. Okay, let's go up here. Let's go around. Let's go down here, this thingy. Poor guy. We need to jump on those body parts. Oops. They're tearing his body apart. Why is his arm so big? Maybe because I made my guy smaller? Or I don't know why, because his arm is huge. You know what I hate about guests? They have the dumb Roblox in 2.0 body. I've been trying to get that, and then this stupid guest decides to push me. Oh, really stupid guest. At least he died. Poor guy. Stupid. This is why I don't like guests. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here before the guest kills us again. Oi. Oi. No. No. Being honest, that wasn't the guest. It was my computer. Is this supposed to be black? I don't think it's supposed to be black. Yeah, my computer is having some lags, so maybe because it's touchscreen. But this guest he doesn't know how to play Roblox. Yeah, he doesn't know how to play Roblox at all. What the? I didn't even touch it. What the heck? Is it? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this thing. Yeah, I touched it that time, but what? I didn't even touch it last time. How are the zombies on it? I don't understand. Ooh, guess 5228 died. This body is just bodies everywhere. It's just creepy. Did you see that lag? Did somebody just join the game? That was a horrible lag. Stupid guest. I don't know how I'm not able to get past this. Oh yeah, it's this dumb guest. I wish I had Robux. Don't have no Robux. But who cares? Really? I didn't even touch that. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Don't get near me, guest. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting angry. What the heck? What's wrong with this game? Okay. One more time. Why? Most of Fat Pap's game is lag, but I don't. It's not lagging. We can't go back, so we're stuck doing this stupid stage until this guest dies and just decides to leave, or he makes it. Because I am not making this anytime soon. I'm telling you. Hopefully, I do. I believe in myself. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make. What? What? What was that? I didn't even touch it. What was wrong with this thing? Stupid thing. At least we're making better progress than before. Darn it! Darn it! Darn it! What's wrong with this stuff? Is there a lag here? I don't know. This is where the laggy stuff is, where the stuff that lags me is coming from. Because let me tell you something. Stupid guest. Oh, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Maybe if I make it next time, you'll be able to see it. Thanks.